Hello guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov, I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today we will create 3D art for Easter in Adobe Dimension CC. We will be using only default assets. So guys, let's start. I have opened Adobe Dimension CC and using horizon tool, I will bring my horizon light down and I will adjust the angle of my camera just like that. And I like it. Yes. Now I'm in default models library. I will scroll it down just like this, and here I have very beautiful ball. I will click on it and using a select and scale tool I will scale it down just like that, and using same tool but holding shift key I will scale it size up proportionally just like that. I love it. Maybe I will move it on the side. Using a select and move tool I will move it slightly on the side just like that. I love it. Now guys, I will click on default sphere model just like that. Using select and scale tool, I will scale it up, not proportionally. And holding shift key, I will scale size down of this Easter egg, just like that, proportionally. Perfect. Using select and rotate tool, I will rotate this egg, just like that. And using select and move tool, I will bring it up. Just like that. I will copy this Easter egg and I will paste a new copy. Using select and move tool, I will move it on the side, just like that. I will copy this Easter egg and I will paste copy one more time and I will move it, just like that. Using select and rotate tool, I will rotate this copy of Easter egg and I will move it close to another egg using select and move tool. So guys, I would like to preview my design in from all angles. What I will do, first off, I will bookmark my current view. I will click on this camera bookmark icon and clicking on plus sign, I will rename current view to front view, just like that. Now guys, using camera icon, I will rotate my design and voila, here I have some very awful mistake. So as you can see, my Easter egg kind of between this ball and my background. So what I will do, using select and move tool, I will reposition my Easter eggs. First of all, I will move this egg, and second one just like that, and third one, and maybe up and close to this one, and I will bookmark this view, right view, just like that. I will click on front view and voila, and again I need to reposition my Easter eggs. So I will click on this egg, I will move it slightly, and same with this one, and voila. Guys, definitely we can add more Easter eggs into our plate, but I would like my design not be overdone, so I will add just few more Easter eggs, but outside of my ball. What I will do, I will click on this Easter egg, copy, and I will paste this copy. Using select and move tool, I will bring it outside of this ball, maybe a little bit close, just like that, and I will move this Easter egg to ground, just like that. Let's see if I will rotate it and if I will like it more. Yes, I like it more. So I will move it just like this and I will move it to ground one more time. Perfect. I love it. I will copy this egg, copy, and I will paste copy of this Easter egg. Using select and move tool, I will move it to another side of my ball, just like that, and I will move it to ground. Perfect. Time to customize our design. First of all, guys, I will click on this ball. I will switch to a default materials library, and here we have a very beautiful vintage glass material. I will click on this vintage glass and voila. Basically, I can adjust my material, but I like it as it is. Um, I will click on this egg and I will use another material. I will use matte material just like that, and I will customize my material. I will change the color. I will use bright yellow color like this. I will click on another egg. I will apply same material and I will customize my material. I will change the color. I will use a bright red color. Same with a third egg. Same material and just like that. And I will change the color, maybe light blue color. I love bright colors. Same with another Easter egg. You can add as many colors to your design as you wish. Guys, everything is up to you. It's your design. This very beautiful blue color, and the last Easter egg, we will use pink color. Yes, like that. Bright pink color. Perfect. Now I will customize our background. I will be back to our scene panel. I will click on environment and I will change color for our background. I will use bright, not red color, green color, because Easter is all about spring. Just like that. I want to preview my design. I will click on render preview. Just like that. I will give Dimension CC a few seconds to analyze my project, and voila, guys, look at this, how beautiful our design is. But I would like to change material for my plate. I will highlight this plate and I will click on another material. I think I will like this material more. Let's preview. Yes. And guys, we can change our light. I will click and I will click on lights library. And here we have many different lights we can use in our design. You can use any color, any light you like. I will try to apply Studio Warm Key material, just like that. Studio Warm Key, I'm sorry. And voila. I will increase intensity for my light. Also, I will rotate the light just to add more life into my design. And let's preview. And voila, guys, believe or not, we are ready. One thing I would like to change, I would like to bring size down of this yellow Easter egg. What I will do, I will select this egg, I will switch to select and scale tool, and I will scale size down. Just like that, much better. Maybe, guys, you know what? Maybe I will change my light. Let's see if I will switch to Studio Wood light, just like that. And I will change intensity and I will change rotation. Let's preview. Yes, guys, we brought more life into our design. All highlights, all reflection gives you illusion of something what's happening right now. Our design is alive. Look at this. I love it. Perfect. So, guys, now what I will do, after I'm happy with everything, I will click on render, and as usual, I will specify name for my rendering. I will specify quality to high, and of course export format I will be PSD file. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. But if you have time and you would like to dig deeper into this topic, please stay with me and I will adjust our design just in a second. Thank you, guys. So now I can render this design I'm happy with everything, but guys, let's just few details in our project. I will be back to design a workspace like this. And guys, maybe I will try to add more light to this Easter egg. So I highlighted this Easter egg, and as you notice in my scene panel, this Easter egg tab was highlighted. I will expand it, and I was redirected to material workspace where I can adjust my material. What I will do, I can change a roughness of my Easter egg. If I will bring a roughness slider to the left, as you can see, we will add more metallic or plastic effect to our Easter egg, and I don't like it at all. So if I will move my roughness slider somewhere close to the almost to the right, it's about 71%, and now we have kind of highlights reflecting in our Easter egg. This is what I wanted. So now our Easter egg is alive. Same I will do with all other Easter eggs. I will click on each of them. I will expand the tab, and I will be redirected to properties panel, and I will bring roughness slider to 71. Same with all others, just like that. So guys, again, everything is up to you. If you are happy with default material, that's perfect, guys. It's your vision, it's your design. I just want to show to you that you don't need to stick to default material. You can use default material, and still you can customize it. Customize this material. You can apply your personal touches into your material, and this is awesome. I love it. So guys, let's preview. Now look at this. We have our Easter eggs in more live version. So our design more alive, and I love it, guys. Everything's supposed to be close to a real life. So doesn't matter if we are working with Photoshop or 3D application or Illustrator, we need to create something close to a live situation. And in our case, we are working with Easter design. We would like to bring more positivity, more spring feeling, more brightness, and everything like that. So if we will add more life into our material, that will be perfect. So guys, how about our light? I will click on environment, and here guys we have extra features. We have sunlight. If we will enable sunlight feature, we can add sunlight light into our design. It's up to you. We can decrease or increase intensity of our sunlight. We can increase or decrease high of our sunlight. Everything is up to you. Same, we can rotate our light. So guys, everything literally is up to you. Let's preview. Oh, I'm sorry, I was in preview mode. So let's preview. Look at this. Dimension CC needs some time to analyze our design. And let me minimize real rendering preview window, and if I will decrease intensity, I will illuminate a shadow. I will not illuminate it completely, but I will smooth it out, and I like it a lot. What about high? If we will move a high slider to the left, we will move our shadow to another part of our design. A shadow will be behind our plate. So everything is up to you. I would like to bring it in the middle, just like that. And also you can change rotation. Changing rotation of your sunlight will affect on your shadow. And I like this rotation about 1.88, and I like it. Let's preview. Perfect, guys. Now I'm absolutely happy with my design. What I will do, I will click on a render. I was redirected to a render workspace. I will rename it to Easter. I will specify quality to high, definitely. And also I will specify export format to PSD, because when Dimension CC will finish rendering my project, I will bring this project in Photoshop CC and I will add some text like Happy Easter or just Easter or anything you like. So now I will click on render. Sorry, also I will specify view. I would like to render current view. All I can specify all, and Dimension CC will render view by view, but I would like to render only one view, current view. And guys, I will click render and voila. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you. Super appreciated your time as usual. Thank you for being with me. And if you have any questions, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. And I will see you later. Bye. Happy Easter. Bye.